Hello once again. Today we're seeing lesson 6, which is the associative property of multiplication. Now you know that we have been seeing properties of multiplication, but now we're going to go one by one. And today is the turn for associative property. Which is our objective for today? Our objective is to learn how to use this associative property and solve exercises with it. Are you ready? Hang on then.
Time is x minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's talk about the associative property of multiplication. It shows that the way in which numbers are grouped doesn't change their product. Let's see an example. 5 times 2 times 7. We are going to group this equation by the first two digits, 5 times 2. Now let's solve it. 5 times 2 equals 10. Then we bring down times 7. 10 times 7 equals 70. Now let's use the same equation, 5 times 2 times 7, but we're going to group two different digits. In this case, it will be 2 and 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. And we bring down the 5 times. Now, how much is 5 times 14? If you did your multiplication, you will know that the answer is 70. So, both equations with a different group give us the same answer. So, it is showing us that it doesn't matter how the numbers are grouped, the product, which is the same as saying the result, will be the same. Example 1. There are 2 video games in each value pack. There are 6 value packs in each box. If Raul buys 3 boxes for his collection, how many video games will he have? You need to find 2 times 6 times 3. And there are 2 ways to group the numbers. Let's see the examples. One way will be to multiply 2 times 6 first. As you can see on the equation, we have put 2 and 6 between the parentheses. That's the first thing we are going to multiply. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Then we bring down the 3. 12 times 3. If you cannot multiply this way, a helpful hint would be to use repeated addition. 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 36. So our answer is 36. Now let's multiply in another way. We are going to multiply 6 times 3 first. So we put the 6 and the 3 between the parentheses. 6 times 3 equals 18. We bring down the 2 and we multiply 2 times 18. The helpful hint is to use repeated addition. 18 plus 18. Our answer is 36. So our answer for this exercise, grouping 2 different ways, is 36. So Raul will have 36 video games. Let's work in example number 2. Use the associative property of multiplication to find 9 times 2 times 4. We're going to find 9 times 2 first. So 9 times 2 equals 18. Times 4, we will use repeated addition. 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 equals 72. Now let's find 2 times 4 first. we're going to bring down the 9 and we're going to multiply 2 times 4 equals 8. So 9 times 8 equals 72. If we compare both exercises, we will see that it's easier to find 9 times 8 than 18 times 4. Helpful hint. The parentheses tell you which numbers to multiply first. Now let's work in the guided practice. Multiply. Use the associative property. 5 times 3 times 3. We are going to group 3 times 3. So first, we bring down the 5. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we have to multiply 5 times 9, which equals to 45. Exercise number 2. 4 times 2 times 7. We have grouped 4 times 2. So let's multiply, and that will give us 8. We bring down the 7 and we multiply 8 times 7, which equals to 56. Exercise number 3. 3 times 1 times 6. We have grouped 3 times 1. So let's multiply. 3 times 1 equals 3. We bring down the 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. Great job! You're doing awesome. Okay, now it's your turn to work on the independent practice from exercise 4 to 22. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and you can contact us. Bye!